Hey, I'm with Preston Stewart here at Markham and Fitz. You're not gonna believe the chocolatey things. So Preston, I looked on the website on the about part, you know, and so it sounds to me that a cultural anthropologist and a chemist got together and now they make chocolate. Is that kind of the story?
That is both of our educational backgrounds, respectively.
Okay.
I studied biochemistry and Spanish at the University of Arkansas. A few years after me, Lawrence, she studied cultural anthropology and French. So, two interesting degrees that ended up creating a chocolate business, but
yeah,
they're both useful.
But it does make sense, kind of, you know, when now that we see how it's all come together.
Yeah, there's a lot of technical details to making chocolate well. A lot of our cocoa comes from Spanish-speaking countries, so when we travel, I don't need a translator.
Yeah.
A lot of African countries that produce cocoa speak French as well, so Lauren can get around when needed over on that part of the world.
But you guys do travel around to the source, right? Tell me more about that.
We make an effort each year to go visit some of the farm partners that we work with. In the past, we visited the Dominican Republic, Nicaragua, Guatemala, and so we try to, make it about, connecting with the farmer partners that we work with. And really deepening those and making it a habitual thing, as opposed to just, getting cacao from different origins all around the world for the sake of variety.
Right. Yeah. Well, so I saw in the store here, you got lots of truffles ready to go for Valentine's Day.
Yep.
The drinking chocolate. Now, that's not just hot chocolate. There's so much more going on there. That was amazing.
Yeah. So yeah, in our store, it's a chocolate factory and dessert bar. So we start from cocoa beans, we roast them, refine them, and then we also mold it into chocolate bars, which is kind of our flagship product. You can find those all across the country.
I've seen them everywhere, yeah.
And then in store, we also make a lot of desserts, like cake and tarts and truffles and cookies. And for Valentine's Day, we're definitely going to be trying to highlight the confections for the people that need to get chocolatey gifts for their significant others.
Yeah.
So truffles, I'm going to be doing a lot of bonbons.
Doesn't get any fresher either than this.
We're going to do chocolate dipped strawberries next week, like every day.
So we've got the confections, the truffles and stuff. We've got an amazing looking chocolate cake going on there. I had the drinking chocolate, but there's something else over in the corner to drink.
So one of our specialties is dessert cocktails. So along with drinking chocolate, you can spike those and add various liqueurs of your choice. We do make a lot of our own in-house infusions, so we'll steep cocoa nibs and various alcohols to create cocktails from those. So
that's a cool idea.
There's some fruity ones, a lot of chocolatey ones, so there's a little bit of everything for everybody, and then we do sell coffee, beer, wine, and tea if you want just something a little bit more mainstream. Yeah, so this year Valentine's Day is on a Friday, which is nice, and so we're open. We're going to be open early on Valentine's Day, and then we are open all the way till 11 p.m. So if you want to come in and get a dessert and a cocktail after dinner, the 8th Street Market itself is a really great location. You can, get a locally crafted beer at By Greg Brewing. There's a few different restaurants. It's right across from the Momentary, which is a new museum opening up.
Yeah, that's exciting.
The week after Valentine's Day, so it's a cool spot.
Yeah, really, no kidding. How can people find out more about what you guys are doing and how they can get in touch and all that sort of thing?
Sure. On our website, markhamandfitz.com, we have a list of all of our retail partners, so places around the state and around the country that sell our chocolate. Facebook and Instagram are probably the best ways to stay updated. We post on there regularly with things we're creating or just things to make your mouth water.
Well, on social media, one of the cool things is you can follow the chocolate from its origin all the way out to here when it comes out in the store or out in the stores. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, last year when we were in the Dominican Republic, we took some video of like the process from harvesting the cocoa pods off the trees all the way through the fermenting and drying, which all happens in the country of origin. And then when we get it, we do the chocolate making.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. The good stuff. Well, thank you for showing me around and,
Sure.
and letting me get my hands dirty in there. Thank you, Only in Arkansas, for sponsoring this video. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. It's a tough job.